friends, hi fellow vintage lovers. Today I'm doing a different sort of video. How do I say this? So I had to go pick up some auction winnings from High Bid, and along the way I found a church rummage sale, but it didn't end up being just another church rummage sale. It was actually for a nonprofit group that helps impoverished people and women who are in abusive relationships. All the money that they earn from people purchasing their items that are donated goes to families in need. And it made me want to buy more than I normally would have. I am probably going to go back there, if not this coming weekend, then the next, because from what I understood, they do have kind of an ongoing rummage sale. And there was just something about the entire experience that made me want to share it with you guys. I did have a long chat with the manager, the person in charge of the actual store where they make the money, and I just felt like I was actually making a difference, if that makes any sense. I know it sounds kind of dorkish, and I just have to be honest though, it's something that is very important to me. I would much rather buy vintage items from an organization like that, where I know that the funds I'm giving them are directly going to help families. I know that Goodwill and other nonprofits like Salvation Army and St. Vincent de Paul and others also help families in need, but I felt, first of all, this organization is local. So that kind of made a difference to me. And I'm going to continue to go there as long as I can, as long as they have items for me to buy, because they had some amazing things. But the actual point of this video is that, life is hard. And I know a lot of us get bogged down by our day-to-day stresses and, everything going on in the world and whatnot. And I think it's sometimes important to kind of take a step back and think about others that are in need. I thought about this the entire way home and the entire night. So I'm going to put the information for this nonprofit in this video, probably at the end. And if you're inclined to donate, that's fine. Maybe you want to purchase some of these items that I bought to support them. Or maybe you just think it's cool that I shopped there. No pressure ever to donate or buy anything, but I did want to put their information out there, especially for any local viewers that I have for the Dallas-Fort Worth area, like Roxana. It's good information to have, and if your company's looking to donate or anything like that, you might want to check them out. Okay, so these items have not all been researched, so I do apologize about that. I'll do my best to identify them. I have to tell you right now that this beautiful candelabra I have not been able to identify. It's just stunning. I am not sure if this is depression glass or not. I feel like it might be, but I don't know. So I am definitely going to find out. Maybe I will put it, as text in this video. Okay, guys, so I'm going to start over here. They had some beautiful, beautiful Hazel Atlas items. I got this creamer and this sugar there. What is so funny is a few weeks ago, I purchased this exact creamer from my friend Angela Marksberry. She was doing a live sale, and it reminded me of my great-grandmother's dishes, her china, because she had a lot of blue, and I loved it. I loved the lines of it. So I was really excited when I got it, but I'd never seen one in person. Well, now I found a set, the actual creamer and sugar. The lines on this are so cool. I love the handles, very deco looking, and so cool. Now with it were these other cobalt blue items, and I don't know if these are Hazel Atlas or not. They very well could be, because they were all, I think, donated by the same person, because there was an area of blue kitchenware and glass. So I did go ahead and pick up this jar. It's in excellent shape. I don't see any damage on it. It very well could not be vintage. I don't know, but I mean, look, these pieces look great together, do they not? Then I got this tall sugar and creamer, restaurant style, massive But again, this beautiful, beautiful cobalt blue. And here's the creamer. I guess it could be a syrup too. These are both in excellent shape. I don't see any damage unless I break that. But I am going to go ahead and give them a nice cleaning because I don't think they've been cleaned in a while. Then I got this amazing Pyrex butter dish. This is the Old Country pattern, and as you can see, it's really pretty. This is in a very, very dark blue, I believe. I don't believe it's black. This is in great shape as well. If you see any dirt, I apologize. I was so moved by this whole experience. I just wanted to go ahead and film a video as soon as I could. So there's been no pre-cleaning, and like I said, no identifying of anything. Okay, so I had to get this because I do get lusterware whenever I see it, especially if it's something like this. This set is absolutely amazing. It comes with its original tray. It's got a salt and pepper here. And it has this little, you could use it as a sugar, you could use it as a jam jar, you could use it as whatever you want, spices. But what is so amazing about this, guys, is it has its original spoon. I don't know how many times I've found lusterware sets like this that don't have their spoon. So how cool is that? This is very deco looking to me as well. I love the handle on the tray. I did not see any damage on this. Just absolutely beautiful, beautiful little piece. Then here I got this Tonala rooster. Hi, Belinda. Belinda loves her roosters, so whenever I see one, I think of her. And like I said, I do believe this is actually very old Tonala. It is not artist signed. Here's the bottom. I don't even believe this one says Mexico, which really makes me believe it is older. It's really cool. I like how rustic and worn this looks. I think it's really cool. And he's in good shape. There is a little bit of paint loss, as you can see. But that's normal with older pieces of tonneau like this. You often see where some of the color has faded a bit. But isn't that cool? I just love him. Then back here, guys, are these two Shawnee salt and pepper shakers. I cannot remember what these, why do I want to say Smiling Pig? I'm not quite sure. These do go pretty high, especially on some of the higher end sites. So I don't know for sure if this will be offered in a live sale. Now, if you're interested in this or anything else in this video, definitely reach out to me and we can work something out. All that information will be at the end of the video. You can always email or send me a DM. But these pigs are so cute. So you've got the girl pig there. She's wearing her coat and her little hat. And then you've got the boy. He's got like his little bandana on. They are absolutely adorable. Again, they're Shawnee. Now, they are missing their stoppers, but that's okay. They're in really good shape. A lot of times when I find older Shawnee like this, it is not in good shape, but he is in excellent shape. I don't see any chips or scratches, actually. Aren't they adorable? I was really excited to find them there. And then I did tease this at the beginning of the video. This is just a really pretty candelabra. As you can see, it's clear glass and it has this beautiful detail there with the flowers. It's just absolutely gorgeous. I love this piece. I think it's stunning. I don't normally buy clear glass. I think everybody knows it doesn't really sell very well, at least not with the online vintage community or the YouTube community. But my gosh, guys, is that not stunning? Absolutely beautiful. I did not notice any damage on this either, but I just can imagine how beautiful that would be with candles in it. Or, you know, not even actual candles, but you could put, you know, but your battery votives or whatever you want in there to make that light up. How beautiful would that be? Especially this time of year with Christmas. Oh my gosh, having that on a table or having it in your living room. Just absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so then I got some figurines because they had a few. And this one, oh guys, so I did not notice, but she has a little bit of damage. I do believe she is Lefton. I'm not 100% sure, but she has these beautiful blue flowers. She is a larger figurine. So when I was looking at her, I checked to make sure all of her fingers there. Is she missing, you know, an arm? All the obvious things to check. Her hair is perfect. I did not check the underside of this hat, so there is a chip there. I am sure you could fix it if it bothers you. When I do offer up for sale, of course, I will reflect that chip that I did not see. But isn't she just adorable? I love her in her blue and white dress. Really, really cute. And she's got a lot of cute features on her. I just love her. Then I got this little Valentine's Day Joseph's Original. She's so, so cute with her little I love you and her hearts on her dress. Is she not adorable, guys? She needs a bath too. Sorry about that. Sorry, cute little girl. Here is the bottom, and her Joseph's Original tag is still there, as well as the George Good. She's so cute. I know a lot of you do collect these, so I was very excited to get her. And then I also got this girl. Well, she's a lady. She is made in Japan, and I did not notice any damage on her. Her foot's good. Her fingers are good. All the details look good. It doesn't look like anything has been broken off. She is reading something in her beautiful chair. She is very royal looking. Here is the bottom. I can't remember. Hand painted. Is it Wales, China, perhaps? Made in Japan? Not quite sure. It's definitely made in Japan. It could be Wales, Japan. That's probably what I'm thinking. But she's so pretty, is she not? I just love her. And then, speaking of lusterware, guys, look at this. I'm pretty sure these are from the 20s. Again, haven't researched. But this is another creamer and sugar, and this is a beautiful lusterware. Look at the flower here. I think that's probably an iris. Am I right? Let me know. If you know and I'm wrong, please correct me. It's just absolutely stunning. I love lusterware with the purple and the orange. On the inside, there's the gold. Can't remember what this one says on the bottom. Something castle hand painted, made in Japan. Just absolutely beautiful. Love it. And again, this is very Art Deco in design with the lines. Sugar has the same design here. Just the purple and the orange just make me happy. Do you have colors that make you happy? I definitely do. Yeah, Gold Castle, hand painted, made in Japan. So that one does look a little bit better. I did not find any damage on either one of these, unless I just caused some. I did not. Just absolutely beautiful. And that's not even a chip. That's under the glaze. But how beautiful is this set? Oh my gosh. I just love it. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this short little video. It's not like my normal long haul. There's no shop along because there was no way to film in there. It was in a little, kind of like a warehouse situation, and I couldn't film in there. Maybe I can try again some other time when it's maybe not so crowded, but I wanted to go ahead and, you know, just put this out there because it did definitely make me feel good about buying from this rummage sale. Okay, guys, I hope everyone is having a great day. I want to thank you all for your support. Every like, every comment, of course, every share means the world to me. And I just want to thank you so much. Okay, guys, love ya. See you next time. Bye.